Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So, this is actually a training for Nowsite members. It's a great way to show you guys how to stay in touch and tuned and plugged in to the trainings. So, if you get confused or get frustrated that, hey, I always miss the trainings, or I never know when they're happening, something like that, this is going to be a quick video on how to stay plugged, so you always get notifications, not relying on Facebook or for somebody in corporate to post on it, but you can actually see it. There's multiple ways. One, you can actually go to the support section and click on trainings and resources. It'll bring you to this right here, this page. Get started now. A lot of good information on here. You go through it if you want to. Not even if you want to, you need to go through it, plain and simple. So this right here is what I'm going to come to. This is the Nowsite training and event calendar. So this right here actually has a lot of good information. This is all the events that are happening in the month of November. They update it every month, so that's awesome. So that you actually knows when the trainings are going to happen. Not relying on just Facebook, because we know how Facebook is very fickle sometimes about seeing every post that is out there, unless you, even if you follow somebody or mix it that you can have their post first. Facebook, with the algorithm and everything, it can be hit or miss sometimes. We do have the Nowsite app. That's a great tool to use too. You can have chats, but chats, once again, we don't always, people have a lot of, I wouldn't say issues, but you can miss or hit or miss too, because you put it in chat, but you can still, block out the notifications on the chat or ignore it, and then you'll miss the updates. So this right here is the best way, is actually the calendar. Now, unless you're going to the calendar every day, and you should be going to log into your Nowsite account every day, you won't really benefit from this. But I'm going to show you a hack that I really do appreciate that Nowsite actually made this available, and I'm going to show you how I did it. So I'm actually a part of the Now Club. That's it's a membership, a VIP club that you actually pay monthly for it to get the first updates about everything and get special deals and promotions too. So that's a nice little thing. I think it's like $49 a month. I can't remember, but it's worth it. So I have that, and this is where I actually they don't have the link in here for that one, but if you want to be a part of it, you can actually go ahead and contact support, and they'll get you set up on that one too. So this is actually where I figured out I can do this. So we can go to see more details. If I click on that, it will pull up my Google account. If you don't have a Google account, create one. Plain and simple. It's a Google Gmail account. Google, create one. You create a Gmail account, you get all this, all great stuff. So you don't have to use this to basically create your Nowsite account, but just by having a Google account, you get a lot of stuff. So you get a calendar, and actually I have this calendar tied into my phone and alerts and all that stuff, because when I log into my Gmail account on my phone right here, I have my calendar with me everywhere I go. So I've already went through and added a lot of stuff in here. So you see this marketing overview with Terry Boyko. Sorry about that, Terry. You can actually hit this, the three dots right there. I'll slow down for you guys. Hit options, three dots. Marketing overview for Terry is the date and everything like that. November 13th. That's already passed. So we're gonna. That's right there. I have out there. I can hit copy. Let's actually go to do something that is going to be more beneficial, so you can actually get more. See how I'm doing it firsthand. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's pick one. Today is the 16th. I just did a lot of them. Let's do the marketing overview with Terry Boyko. We're going to hit more details. You see how I highlight it over this right here, and it pops it right there. This is if I want to go into it right there. Let's say it's happening right now. I want to go into it right there. It'll take me to the Zoom link. But this right here, where it says see more details, will pull up my Google Calendar. Now hit that. Bam. All right, great. Now it pulls this up. Friday, November 20th. Make sure you always check the date and time to make sure it's correct. Weekly on Friday. It's telling you everything what this is. Now, what I'm going to do is actually add this to my calendar, my personal calendar, because I'm logged in right here. That's my, pull this over a little bit. That's me right there, DePaul. I'm going to click copy to that. Your name should appear up. And you see marketing overview. And then you have the dates, August 14th. Don't worry about that. But this, you want to make sure it says weekly on Fridays, because you have a couple things you can do. It does not repeat: daily, weekly on Fridays, monthly. So I'm going to do weekly on Fridays because it's a weekly training. I'm going to hit save. Pretty much how it is when you click on that, it's going to appear up like that. So when I hit save, boom, event saved. Now I'm going to go to the 20th because that's showing the 16th. Just like that, it was added. Marketing overviews with Terry Boyko, traffic secrets with Qual Mayo, and Giraffe Club meeting. Busy day that day. And of course my other stuff I got going on. So great way to have your calendar with you no matter where you go. Great way to stay alert. So now I will actually get alerts when these happen. You can actually edit it and say, hey, I want this. Where is that? Boom. You can actually put in here, add notification. Right there, the little bell. 10-minute notification. So make sure you do that. That's important. I do 10 minutes because 10 minutes is always great. Let's go. Actually, I'm going to do 5 minutes. 5 minutes, because sometimes I do forget. I get busy, like, oh, I got 10 minutes to do something like that. So 10-minute notification. That's it. Boom. This event and this event and following events. Boom. Now I have a notification when the event is about to happen 5 minutes before. It's going to notify me on my phone or my desktop or wherever I have my calendars at for Google. Like I said, get it on your phone. It's important. And then you have all your notifications. You stay plugged in to all the trainings, the events, what's going on. It's an amazing tool. Deadlines of contests or promotions that's going on. It's an amazing little hack, I guess you can call it. But hopefully this is actually beneficial for you. I hope that this helps you stay plugged in and with the training and what's going on with the events for Nowsite, so you can be more successful with your business, if not just your Nowsite business, your overall business for everything else. So you can learn how to effectively use Nowsite efficiently for anything that you're using for your marketing purposes. So guys, thank you for tuning into this one. Hope you guys got some value. Feel free to comment if you have any other questions. And until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.